Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we're going to teach you exactly in step by step how to add tags to your properties in your databases and tables on Notion really quickly. So drop a like and now let us get started. So head over to Notion, log into your account, select your workspace in the top left corner, and after that head over to the page or database you would like to edit and customize here on the left hand side inside your workspace. So let me go with that page here for the sake of this tutorial. Now you may add tags, for example, to tables, as you can see. So let me add a couple of tags to that table here. Let me just make some space here really quickly. So what you want to do, guys, is add, for example, a new column by clicking on the plus icon here on the right end of that table. And we're going to select this property here, multi-select, because that suits tags the best or the best way. So what you want to do is simply rename that property from multi-select to tags, just like that. And after that, simply start adding tags to that property by clicking on add an option here. So the first tag would be, for example, I don't know, approved if you're talking about tasks and you would like to label tasks or assignments here in your workspace or table. Press enter to add the first option. After that, add another option by, let's say, for example, let's name that label not started yet, because the task hasn't been started yet. Press enter, and let me add also a third tag, like, for example, completed. Press enter, and that's it. Now you can leave that menu here by clicking on it arrow to the left icon here, close that window. And as you can see, the property tags has been added. So now you may assign these tags to your tasks, for example, or cells here in your table by clicking on the given cell and by selecting the given tag, which for example would be in this case here, let's say approved and also completed. And that task here hasn't started yet. So let me assign that label. And so on and so forth, guys. So as you can see, it is super simple. You may assign these labels, as many labels as you like. You may also delete the given label by hovering the mouse over it and by clicking on these three dots here and by clicking on delete, or assign a custom color or rename it, and so on and so forth, guys. So as you can see, absolutely no rocket science. It is super simple. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.